Hey guys, today's ride is just my muscle rock here. We're gonna go all the way back up. I do have a full video of me doing this. It's called Mad Max 6,000 watt skateboard. But yeah, it's just always great fun to just be able to ride through the off-road. This board only cost me $600 total to make. It's got a Flipsky Dual Flipsky 6374 motors. It's the kit. You can get the trucks, the tires, and the motors for only $250 from Flipsky I think .net or .com. And the battery, I just using some 12S 2P. Range is about 10 miles, which is pretty good because it's not like I'm gonna ride constantly. It's about 4 or 5 mile round trip every morning. Let's go up this hill. You want to build up a little speed and just hit it. This is like a 40% incline right here. Look at that. You got Muscle Rock over here. Today's a really nice day. Here feels about 62 here at the beach, but it's gonna get hotter later on today. It's beautiful out here. As you can see out here, there's a lot of birds that live on there. You see a bunch of pelicans. And we'll go up this nasty little 35% grade hill. And you see, oh, we barely made that up. Oh, I don't want to go over those rocks. I'm holding the phone, so it's a little bit harder. We will go back here, turn around, and go back up this another nasty hill. Again, this board is super powerful. Got very high gearing. It's not really popular among e-skaters, but this is actually probably one of the budget hidden gems. Yeah, so this is Muscle Rock. You can actually go in that cave over there. Alright, there's always people, and sometimes people get stuck because the tide rises. You can see it's a really, really nice built trucks. It's got 2 Dual 6374. This is a duct tape model. This is one of my earliest prototypes. But I'm gonna rebuild it with some nice deck. This is my old longboard deck I used. It's got these springs, so it's not the most great for street, but it's good for off-road. And also it's actually pretty good for street is fine. It's not the best setup. But like I said, it's so cheap to make this. And I'll have a full tutorial eventually how to make this in the cheapest way possible. But let's go ahead and finish the ride up. This is a real nasty because there's a lot of gravel. You really gotta, like an own board will get stuck in the middle here. And this is a nasty 30% grade hill or more with lots of gravel. And own board will get actually stuck back there. You'll get actually stuck here. My Vestar can make it up pretty good. The Vestar Blackhawk. And you see this stuff is just nasty. And the pneumatic tires definitely help get that grip. That's why you want pneumatic tires when you go over gravel. Rubber tires are okay, but you're just gonna feel a ton more vibration, and it's just not made for a full off-road. But I really love this board, and it's just not the best setup. But I mean, for under $1,000, you get a ton of power. Very, very smooth ride. This is the smoothest riding skateboard that I have right now, thanks to the large 8-inch pneumatic tires. These tires are great. I don't know why some of the people on the skate forum, they don't really like it that much, but I really like it. So look at all this gravel we're just going through. This is great. Yeah. Hello. And this is a nasty one here too. There's a lot of gravel. It's hard to see on here, but there's like this part here. I mean, like this little ridge here, stuff like this. You also need pneumatic tires, and they really help. And like this little incline here. I mean, this board just makes it through real good. Woo! And there's so much gravel over here. Oh, I gotta turn slowly. But yeah, this board does great. I am looking for some newer options. But check out this view. Sorry, I did it in landscape portrait mode today, but you know, I don't really have I wasn't expecting to make this video, but I'll remake it. I already have made this video, this exact course setup. So this is a pretty nice path right here, maybe 20% incline and, you know, a little bit of gravel, but you can just mash through this. And you see, doing really nice. So, you know, if you have in like little parks that you can't bring, you know, other things, and this could be a great option. You know, that's great out here. This place is called Muscle Rock Park. It's in Daly City, in Pacifica, California. My house is over the cliffs over there, and these houses on the cliffs, a lot of some of them are gonna actually fall eventually because it's not a stable ground. So they built. There's actually a street there that actually completely collapsed. So it's pretty dangerous to live if you live in anywhere with a lot of you know, if you live next to the ocean, gotta watch out, you know. Woo-hoo. So that's pretty much it, and I'm gonna go home and relax. But have a great day, guys. I just want to do an update. My elbow has finally fixed itself, so I'm pretty glad that it's doing well. And the kids really love my board. Yeah, what a nice day. Yeah, this is just my morning ride. It's just a park right next to my house, but the cars can't go in there. So it's a great way if you have like an off-road skateboard. I mean, you can enjoy the parks. I mean, I could walk down there, but you know, it's gonna take me like an hour for a round trip. On my skateboard, round trip, maybe like 20 minutes, you know. So it cuts down on time. If you want to go fishing, you can also bring your gear. But yeah, these roads are like super tough, but with these tires, you just go through them. Look at this. Look at all this crap road, and you don't feel anything. It's great. Anyway, have a great day. Signing out from Daly City, California. Bye.